Breaking news coming in, viewers, it's the beginning of the SIR exercise in West Bengal, and that's led to some dramatic visuals of the border areas of the state. These are illegal Bangladeshi immigrants at BSF checkposts. They want to somehow get back to their own country, Bangladesh, and there are queues of people with bags in the Hakimpur border area. Take a look at this ground report.
SIR एक्सरसाइज शुरू होने के बाद पॉलिटिकल टेंशन शुरू हो गया है वेस्ट बंगाल में, और इधर हम लोग अभी हकीमपुर चेक पोस्ट पे खड़े हैं जो मेन सिटी कोलकाता से 3 घंटा ही दूर है और इंडो बांग्लादेश बॉर्डर से ये 2-3 किलोमीटर की दूरी पे है। आप लोग जो देख सकते हो इधर करीब 300 से 500 बांग्लादेशिया सरेंडर कर चुके हैं इधर कि वो लोग इलीगल तरीकों से बॉर्डर क्रॉस करके ट्रेस पास करके आए थे। करीब 10 से 20 साल इधर रह रहे थे और अभी एसआईआर की एक्सरसाइज शुरू होने के दौरान ही ये लोग चेक पोस्ट के सामने भीड़ करने शुरू हो गए। ये लोग सरेंडर करे कि इन लोगों के पास कोई लीगल डॉक्यूमेंट्स नहीं है और लीगल डॉक्यूमेंट्स के बिना ही बॉर्डर भी क्रॉस किए और कोलकाता या बाकी सारे जो डिस्ट्रिक्ट है उधर रह भी रहे थे।
BJP Sukanta Majumdar has slammed West Bengal government for vote bank appeasement. TMC meanwhile has slammed the BJP for allowing illegals to enter. Listen in.
Approximately total 300 people, those are Bangladeshis, those have accumulated in front of the border in the North Chobis Pargana and Hakimpur, under Hakimpur check post. So it is quite evident from this, the 300 people, they are trying to leave this country and they are trying to reach their own country, that is the Bangladesh. So my question is whether Mamata Banerjee and her party was opposing the SIR. So this is the reason. That's why they were opposing the SIR so vigorously. And this is this was the rather I should say the vote bank of Mamata Banerjee.
No, who have assembled at the border? Are they voters? Have you checked whether their names are there in the voter list? We doubt very much. That has to be ascertained. And the question is, if they are ready to go out of India to Bangladesh, the first question is how they have entered. How they have entered India across the international border, which is supposed to be protected by none other than BSF, a wing of Amit Shah's department.
Let's go across to Rita joining us for more on this. Rita, what exactly did you find? Take our viewers through why this is so significant, because this is sparking off a massive war of words. We have, on the one hand, you have the BJP which says that the SIR exercise is necessary because there are those who are from outside of India who are present in the state of West Bengal, and this is something that TMC has been in denial of. But now those visuals that you're bringing to us are telling quite a different story.
Absolutely, Madhav. As you have seen last time also, we had gone to one of the colonies of Newtown where we found and encountered Bangladeshis, and this time again near the border, which is around 2 kilometers away from the Indo-Bangladesh border at the Hakimpur checkpost, we have encountered more than 300 Bangladeshis who have been sitting over a span of 2 to 3 days and waiting to cross the borders. Now these people who have spoken to Times Now have said that they are surrendering themselves. They have been staying in various parts of West Bengal for more than 10 to 20 years, which is about a decade. And also they have told us that this area or this checkpost was one of those checkposts where they would illegally enter or trespass the borders of India and then move out to different cities. So this entire thing has been happening over a decade of time with the awareness of the state authorities, as they did not have any papers, yet they were working for Kolkata Municipal Corporation. They were working in different people's flat in the Newtown area and also other districts of West Bengal. Now, this area where we came and
certainly, of course, this is going to be one story that's going to spark off further controversy when it comes to the SIR exercise, as well as, of course, the war of words between the BJP and the TMC. Rita, thanks so much for getting us that ground report. Slipping into a very quick break.